Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is just a mini read as to what is the key message you need to focus on right now. And for the personal readings you can check the description box below. So the key message here is the devil. So this is a temptation, that's what I feel. You are being tempted towards something, okay, or maybe there is some fear or something which is holding you back. Okay, so this is something you really need to correct. That's what I feel. There is something here perhaps within you, it's coming up as a key message. So there is some energy, some negativity or some toxicity, something perhaps related to the past, some past experience perhaps, which is holding you back from something. Or maybe there is a temptation. Maybe you are dealing with something which you are feeling very drawn to or tempted towards. But the thing here is that something here needs to be corrected actually. Whatever it is which is holding you back, that's what I feel, because we have all the three positive cards here. So what I feel is there is some sort of an inner work perhaps which needs to be done. Maybe some fear or see, what I feel here is, I'll come back to this devil again. See, what I feel here is with the Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and the Page of Cups, you are trying to focus on your work. It's definitely you are at work trying to focus on your work and working hard on something, but something has totally caught your eye. Okay, so you are distracted. There is a temptation around you. Either maybe you are tempted towards someone over here, or maybe you are so something has definitely caught your eye and it is causing you to sort of distracting you from your work. Basically, it's something like that, and that is something which is igniting a lot of passion here. From this small flame, it is coming to this. It is all over in your mind. Okay, this small flame here is becoming so big. It's all in your head. So the small thing which attracted your attention at that point in time has become so big in your mind. Now you really want a new beginning with this person over here. With the Ace of Wands, it is a new beginning. Definitely the Ace of Wands is a new beginning, and there is a lot of passion inside you for this person. Okay, and you really feel passionate for this new beginning. And with the Page of Cups being next, so definitely all the three cards are really good. Okay, and this with the Page of Cups is definitely a small step being taken towards opening up of this new beginning, whatever it is. It is a small step which has been, so it is definitely something has really caught your eye. There is a new beginning, and then a step forward is being taken towards that new beginning. Now we come back to the devil. Devil is something, because there is a new beginning here. That's what I feel. It has really caught your attention while you were working. Okay, it's something that distracted you, and now the thing is there is something definitely which is holding you back. So first of all, devil can be, it is a temptation, because you are at work and something has caught your eye, you feel attracted to it, so that is a temptation, as simple as that. Other thing is that if you are not able to move ahead, but which I really don't feel, I think you will be moving in towards this new beginning. Something here needs to be corrected. Some fear is perhaps holding you back. Something in your psyche has to be corrected before. Maybe you have to deal with some inner fears or something like that before you are able to work on this new beginning. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.